After almost 2 years since the EDSA Kamuning flyover was closed for the retrofitting activity, the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH will conduct new retrofitting activity starting April 25.
Kaya po natin siya kailangan ng i-retrofitting kasi yung ating DexLab or yung mismong dinadaanan po ng ating mga sasakyan o mga motorista ay medyo marupok na po siya.
DPWH will retrofit the flyover by phase, where only portions of the flyover will undergo construction, wherein every phase will take 12 weeks and the whole project will take up to 11 months. DPWH will start the retrofitting at the southern portion of the flyover. 1.5 lane will be partially closed to motorists, but the operation of the EDSA carousel will not be compromised. In 2022, buses on EDSA busway were diverted to Service Road as the flyover was fully closed. Meanwhile, the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA believes that the flyover should be retrofitted early to be prepared for the possible effect of the big one.
It will pose danger sa ating mga motorista kung sakali nga po na magtalindol. Siguro mas paramount yung safety ng ating mga kababayan kisa po doon sa pansamantalang traffic na idudulot nito.
MMDA foresee that construction will not pose heavy traffic in the area as mabuhay lanes will be utilized. Aside from their traffic personnel, they will also coordinate with the Quezon City government and the Highway Patrol Group to create an efficient traffic scheme.
I can say naman nung previous na nangyari ito ay hindi naman po nagkaroon ng Carmageddon. Siguro before ng bridge, kakanan muna sila. Then after ng bridge, labas uli papuntang EDSA.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.